I'm an IT professional. I work 9 to 9 and I have started developing back pain. What do I do? Hi, I'm Dr. Himanshu Prasad. Today I'm going to talk about this common problem, that is back pain in IT professionals, which is very commonly seen. I'm a spine expert and I work in Hyderabad. I'll be taking you through this point in a couple of minutes. Now, why IT professionals generally get back pain? Why is that the majority of young population who are working day in, day out come up with back pain? This is because the posture or the ergonomics which they work is incorrect. So majority of us, we get so much involved in the work that we sit in front of computer in a very odd chair and we continuously work without taking a break. That is wrong. I do not say you work 9 to 9, but I say you work 9 to 9 but take frequent breaks. In general, we tell the patients that take frequent break as early as maybe an hour. Get up, change your posture, and then sit back and continue your work. A minute of change of posture does not do any harm. In fact, it makes your spine relaxed. Point number two, ergonomics. Whenever your chair or your desk or your computer is not in a correct position, not comfortable for you, you will start getting fatigues. Your spine muscles, they start getting tired, and then you start developing back pain. So that is the common reason for having back pain. That is why during the lockdown period, when many of us started doing work from home, we used to sit in a couch, we used to sit on a sofa, and not without proper table and chair, and sitting again for long hours. It is not a posture. We are not made to sit for long. So that is why our muscles started getting tired, and then we started getting back pain. So this is the second most common. One, your posture is not good. Second, your desk, your table is not good. Point number three, lack of exercise. You are working hard, you are working hard for your company, but are you working hard for yourself too, for your health too? No. So if you are not doing proper exercises, these muscles, they get fatigued easily. So you got to have a proper nutrition. As everyone says in the home, we also have to understand that eat well, eat healthy, do regular exercises so that your muscles are strong. In fact, in our Indian culture, yoga has got a major role in our physical health. Especially yoga like Surya Namaskar kind of yogas, they are very good exercises for the spine. As well, swimming is one of the best exercises for your spine. So you should inculcate these simple exercises so that your spine is strong. And finally, to say, I would not be wrong if I say sitting is new smoking. That means sitting is as bad as smoking. Why? Because you sit for long hours, your spine muscles start getting ache, you start developing disc problems. Since you're not exercising, your cardiovascular starts getting affected, and hence sitting is as bad as smoking. So I would not be wrong if I would say you are developing an addiction towards sitting. So to break that addiction is take frequent breaks, maintain proper ergonomics, have a good health by doing exercises and proper diet. Thank you.